Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm making a 3D model of a character named Mr.Stick from AniMusic. This is on request from one of the subscriber of the channel. I'm not familiar with this Mr.Stick guy, so I was not able to add a lot of details to it from my side. I modeled it based on few images from Google. I was able to finish the model, but I couldn't rig this guy. I had few issues with the IK for this model. I don't know what the problem was. I was not able to figure it out. I just moved his arms for a pose for the thumbnail. I also made a 3D print of this guy, which didn't come out how I was expecting it. Let's talk about it towards the end of the video though. As for this model, it's really simple. It's all few basic structures and then adding details towards the end of it. So yeah, enjoy the time lapse for now and let's talk at the end. So this is how the model came out of the 3D printer. I was not able to make the time lapse for this because I know it would have resulted in a lot of stringing, so I avoided it. So yeah, this is how the 3D model got printed. It definitely is missing a lot of details like the string and stuff. And one thing about this model is that it has a lot of support. So yeah, let me first remove the support and then let's talk about it. Alright, so this is all the waste from the supports that came out of this. And this is how the model looks without the supports. It does have little bit details on it, but most of them are very little to be noticed. I think I should have made it a little bit bigger in size. There are still few supports that are left hanging. For example, this one towards the hand. I don't have the balls to remove that. It might break. Also the other hand, it didn't had any supports and that was the top part, so it came out weird. Also one of the knobs has a support attached to it still. The other side came out alright, but this one it might break. And there is a lot of support that is stuck at the back. It's not coming off. Yeah, this is the broken wheel. It still has some parts stuck to it which are not coming off. Also the two strings that are on the stick guy doesn't got printed again because the size was too small, so I guess that could be the reason. The only way I could make it work now is if I stick this in a clay ball or something, then it might be used as a showcase piece, but for now I'll count this as a failure. If I had to do it again, I might try to make it in different parts like a Lego set, then the result might have been a little bit better, but I'm not gonna do it. Maybe if this video pops up and it get 100 likes, then I'll do it again. But yeah, for now I guess that will be it for this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.